Imagine a summer where children explore new passions, build confidence and create unforgettable memories. Hello, I'm Rebecca Dugganite. I'm delighted to welcome you to BSB Summer School 2026. This summer, children will enjoy 4 weeks packed with creativity, adventure and new experiences. They will improve their English skills while being supported by teachers with vast experience in the British educational system who create a warm, engaging and inspiring environment. But summer school is about so much more than learning English. Children will enjoy sports and outdoor activities, take part in arts and crafts, cooking sessions, team games and many other hands-on experiences designed to encourage curiosity, independence and creativity. They'll discover new talents, make new friends and enjoy every moment of summer in a safe and vibrant international community. And the best part, they'll leave each day smiling, happy and excited to come back for more. Places are limited, so register now using the link below. We can't wait to welcome you to our beautiful campus this summer.